Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. With the rise of AI affiliate programs, opportunities for passive income are at an all-time high. So what exactly are AI affiliate programs? They leverage artificial intelligence to optimize affiliate marketing strategies for earning passive income. One of the biggest advantages of AI affiliate programs is their ability to analyze data in real time, maximizing your potential profits over traditional methods. Let's take a look at some of the top AI affiliate programs to consider in 2025 for your next venture. Choosing the right AI affiliate program for your niche is crucial. Evaluate criteria like commission rates and product alignment with your audience. Now, let's dive into effective strategies for promoting AI affiliate programs. Consider utilizing social media marketing, SEO, and engaging content. Maximizing your earnings is easier with AI tools that automate tasks such as tracking, analytics, and data collection. Here are some inspiring case studies of affiliates who successfully leveraged AI programs for significant income.